Class 8, chapter number 6, Square and Square Roots, exercise 6.4. Hello students, today we'll find the square root by the division method, exercise 6.4. So let's start. So finding square root by the division method, we'll take one example. That means whatever the number is given, we have to place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the ones place digit. If the number of digit is in it odd, then the leftmost single digit too will have a bar. So in the given example, we have 6 and 25 will have separate bars. Second step, we have to find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the extreme left bar, and take this number as the divisor and as well as the quotient. Then divide the number and get the remainder. In the below example, we have 4 is less than 6, so taking 2 as the divisor and quotient and dividing, we get 2 as remainder. Then third step, we have to find out the number under the next bar, which will be the remainder. In the given example, we bring 25 down with the remainder, so the number is 225, that is 225. The next step, we have double the quotient and enter it with a blank on its right. In the below example, it will be 4. Then the step number 5, guess a large possible digit to fill the blank, which will also become the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. In this case, 45 into 5 is 225. So we choose the new digit as 5 and get the remainder. See, this is the example. Since the remainder is 0 and no digit are left in the given number, therefore the number on the top is a square root. What we have done by these 6 steps, let's remind. Whatever the number is given, we have to place the bar from the right hand side, that is from the unit digit. Place the bar for the two digits. So make a pair of digits 5 and 2, and 6 will be alone. Now we have to choose a number by which same number multiply and we will get the 6. So is there any number? 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1. 6 is more greater than 1. Now second number is 2. 2 twos are 4. Again 4 is less than 6. Now when we'll take 3, 3 threes are 9. So 9 is greater than 6. So we have to choose 2. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Now 6 minus 4, we have 2. Okay. Then this 2, whatever written in the upper side of this line segment, we have to write here, and 2 plus 2 will become 4. Then this 25, the next pair of the digit, we have to take it out downside of the division process, and the remainder from the previous 6 minus 4 is 2. So the new number form 225. Now we have to take a number which will be divisible by 4 and the digit here. So choose the number, as we are finding the square root. So the square root, that is, we have to multiply the same digits here and in the quotient part also. So as 2 to 5 contains unit digit is 5, so we have to take 5. So 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. 5 and 2 carry 5. 4s are 20 and 20 plus 2, 25. So we get 225 here. So 225 minus 225, that is equals to 0. So what are the number we get top of this process? That is 25. So we can say square root of 625 is 25. So let's do one more problem on the basis of the same method, division method. So we will understand very well. So let's question number 1 of this exercise. Find the square root of each of the following by division method. 2304. So first we have to write the number and make the pair of digits, that is 2 digit, we have to make one pair. So from the right hand side corner, that is from the unit digit, make the pair 4 and 0 becomes one pair, 3 and 2 again it is one pair. Now then we have to choose a number which is equal to or less than 23. So let's start. 3 3s are 9, that is less than 23. 4 4s are 16, it is also less than 23. 5 5s are 25. Now 25 is greater than 23, so we have to take the digit 4 into 4. So 4 into 4, that is equals to 16. Now we have to subtract 23 minus 16, so we get answer is 7. Now next step is this 4 we have to add with this 4, so 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Then after this pair of digits 0 4, it will become downside, so number we form, that is 704. Now we have to divide this 704. Now after this 8 we have to choose one more digit, so that product of the numbers will be 704. So let's take, as there is unit digit is 4, so we will take 8 or 2 also. If we are choosing 2, so here we can write 2, and in the upper side after 4 we have to write 2. So 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 into 8, 16. So we get 164. So 164, that is very less than 704. So next digit we have to choose 8, as 8 into 8 is 64, so we get the unit digit 4. So we write 8 into 8, that is equals to 64. 4, 6 carry, 8 into 8, 64, 64 plus 6, 70. So we get 704. This 88 multiplied by this single digit 8, so we get 704. Now we subtract this, so we get 0. Now we can say the square root of 2304 is 48.